Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious homemade pizza. I love making pizza from scratch sometimes because it's very fun to put together, and this pizza is so flavorful and very delicious. Let's get started. We're going to start by making a good homemade pizza dough. All you need is some warm water in a bowl. Into that, add some sugar. Mix in the sugar until it gets dissolved in the warm water. Add some instant dry yeast, then mix everything together. Then allow the mixture to sit for about 10 minutes for the yeast to activate. You'll know the yeast has activated when it blooms and becomes foamy. Once the yeast has activated, add some salt and olive oil, then mix everything together. Transfer the yeast mixture into a stand mixer, then add some all-purpose flour. Let the stand mixer mix and knead the dough for about 2 minutes. Don't over-knead, otherwise the pizza dough will come out very tough. Transfer the dough into a bowl that is greased with olive oil, then move the dough around to get coated in the oil. Next, cover the bowl with a saran wrap, then allow this to sit for about an hour for the dough to rise. While the dough is rising, we're going to make a delicious homemade pizza sauce. Start by heating up some olive oil in a pan over medium heat, then saute some minced onion for a minute. Add some minced garlic and let that cook for about 30 seconds. Then add some tomato sauce. Next, we're going to add a little kick of red wine to the sauce, then season with salt and black pepper. Mix everything together. Then we're going to add some brown sugar, Italian seasoning, and dried basil. Mix everything together and allow the sauce to simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. That way all the flavors can come together. And that's it. This is a very flavorful sauce for our homemade pizza. We're going to set the sauce aside for later, then we're going to check on the pizza dough. It's been about an hour and the pizza dough has risen. Transfer the dough into a well-greased pizza pan. Then spread the dough out all the way to the edge of the pan. Next, we're going to spread the pizza sauce all over the pizza dough. You can add more sauce if you like your pizza saucy, and then you can top with your favorite toppings. I'm topping with some mozzarella cheese. I like a lot of cheese. And I'm also topping with some pepperonis. Once all the toppings have been added, we're going to bake the pizza in a 475-degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Here is the fully baked pizza. It came out smelling so good. The crust is perfectly crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. I had so much fun making this pizza. It came out very delicious. If you guys would like to make this delicious homemade pizza, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.